Hey, Daedrus here real quick. I shortened the original video by about 8 minutes. How I did that was just taking out the run scenes from call out to call out. So as the video is skipping around from call out to call out, the little skips it's going in a counterclockwise fashion around the room, level by level, around the floor, level by level. And for beginners, I would check out the full link below so you kind of get more of a feel, lay of the land. I'm actually running from call out to call out. But for those advanced players, this should be a lot better. Thanks. Hey, my name's Daedrus. Today we're going to be talking about lab callouts. These are the callouts that I use when I play with my squad. Helps us avoid team kills, get more player kills. We know that when we're coming into labs, the stakes are a little higher. We're spending money to get in. There's a lot of good loot, and a lot of time we're taking in our best gear. So these callouts really help us avoid, again, team kills. Allows us to know where those enemies are to engage and hopefully up our survival chances. So if you find this video educational, if you like the video, give it a like below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be coming out with a lot more videos. Oh, and also, if I miss a call out or you have a special one that you like, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Maybe we'll update the video, make some changes later. Thanks. Okay, so starting out, we're here at manager's office. Pretty central location. We'll start with this. This is bridge to manager's office. Conference room. And actual manager's office. And running back out. I think we're going to take this level by level. I'm not going to try to jump up and down floors. It's too confusing. We have to do tons of backtracking if we do that. But hanging right here, we're going to go run this way to kitchen grate. That's what we call this because of the metal grating. And continuing to this door. This door is Zamboni. And reason being, we call it Zamboni because it's a little floor waxer. And we'll come explain the rest of that room here in a moment. This is hangar. Hangar entrance. Below is under button, but this is hangar button. Reason it's hangar button is because of the button. When you hit that, opens the gates, raiders come in. We call this server balcony because it's outside of server. And this is server catwalk. Still on server balcony, another door into server. This is green hall or green room. Reason it's green room is this is green key, green room. This is balcony in front of green, glass balcony, whatever you want to call it, but we call it balcony in front of green. This is mid tent, and there's also a mid tent underneath, but this is green mid tent. This is green offices. That's yellow office, yellow offices. Because it's next to yellow. Yellow's through the wall over there. This is yellow grate because of the metal grating. Yellow is right there, that door. So now we're going to run over to med block and do the top floor there, that last hallway. So again, this is mid tent. This is green hall. U room because it's a U. Cargo elevator. This is blue steps. My squad does it a little different. Instead of going off of the color that's the inside, we call these off of the room that they're next to. So right down there on the floor below us, there is blue room. So we call this blue steps, blue metal steps, and obviously shower room, cargo, green hall, U. Coming down green hall or long hall, mid tent, green elevator, green steps, and green room. So coming into server, server catwalk, server office, that's where we're walking into. This is server office. And starting again at manager's office, now we're going to do everything on this side of the map. Called Zamboni. Zamboni because of the piece of equipment there. This is freezer, freezer doors. This is kitchen doors. Goes into the kitchen. These doors are vending and dining. Okay, going back through kitchen door, freezer door, Zamboni door, double steps. Reason we call that is there's two double doors at the bottom. So double steps. Headshot. Because when you're shooting somebody, all you can see is their head over the top. Coming back around, this is a long hall or glass hall because of the glass along the side. This is glass bridge or sky bridge. Vending. Red steps because it's next to red. Dining. And this is door to red room. Now we're in red room. This is red. Arsenal. This is violet. Violet room. This is long hall to button. The reason we call it long hall to button is parking button is right over here. This is cats. This is button office. Button offices because it's next to button. Parking button. Button steps. This is button. Parking button. Again, hit this one. Opens the gate. Big window. Or sometimes you say big window over parking. And yellow. Yellow room. Looks out into parking. And of course, yellow steps. Yellow grates. Cats. And we're back at manager. So that concludes this floor. We'll move down one level. Okay, so we're in med block. This is black long hall because black's down at the end of it. This is blue room. Back medical hall. And we call this one blue steps. Blue metal steps. Moving over here, this is blue. Blue room. This is dead end medical. Medical dead end. Mid tent. Black elevator. And actual black room. Alright, coming out of black. Call this black steps, black metal steps. Baby steps. And we call this secret. Going up through secret. Secret janitor's closet. This is under catwalk. And this room again is server. This is server drop down. Baby steps are the wood steps. Secret. Server drop down. Now we're moving back up on the catwalk. Into server office. Headshot. Forklift. And we call this mouth because it's mouth into hanger. Call this generator. Good shots to double. Under hanger button. And what you drop down into, either side there, in the middle here, this is called pit. This is double because of the double doors on either side there. Bottom of double steps. This is auditorium. Goes into an auditorium. Cuts through. Same thing. Door to auditorium, but this is down server door. This is called Long Wood Hall. Sky Bridge. Workout room. Gym. We call it Keter because some dude with a Keter murdered me. Well, murdered two of my squad mates in here. He was hiding back in the corner. This is main steps because it goes down to main elevator to the basement, or main basement steps. And we are back at red steps. Red is above us. Right here. Opening this goes into L, outside of bunks. So we call this little section right there L. We do that because it differentiates L from bunks. This is bunks. So now we're into main lobby. Running into here, this is boiler. This room is called boiler. Boiler doors. back of S-band, blue barrels, and coming through S-band, headshot, another headshot, quite a few headshots on the map. This is S-band metal steps, S-band, goes down to the basement. This is front of S-band, back out into parking. Again, this is parking steps, yellow steps, big window. This is alternate, front of alternate. This is back of alternate. Alternate office. This is back med hall. Back into med block where we started. And that's the perimeter of this floor. Now we're going to do the middle of this floor. So coming out by managers. Managers is over there. We call this area middle or mid. This is dome. This is mini medical. Mini med. Again, dome. We call this tables because of the tables. This whole area is called tables. Now we're underneath manager's office. Underneath manager. Weapon testing is this building. Weapon testing. A lot of weapons will spawn in here. Ammo, weapon attachments, things like that. This is streamer loot. Streamer items spawn here. Hanger, under hanger button. The long wood hall. Great Spy down server. Down server. Auditorium. Down server side. Weight room, workout room. Keter is what we call it. Back to L. And inside their bunks. This is carousel. Parking button steps. Yellow steps. And again, yellow grate. And that concludes this floor. Now we're going to head down to the basement. Okay, going down blue steps. There's blue room. So this is blue side, blue steps, bottom of blue steps. Alright, this is far hall. Now we're at long hall. This turns into T. Lit up T, that's what we call it. Continuing long hall. This is cargo. So cargo room. Cargo elevator button. Med block elevator. And black steps, bottom of black steps. This is long metal. Call that long metal hall. This is drop down button. Activates the med block elevator. So button drop down. Back into long hall. And back into long metal. This goes into split hall. So split hall because of the two sides. The hall is split down the middle. Coming around, this is one of the spawns where you'll spawn. Red generator, square room. Just a little square. Coming out of square into split hall. Okay, coming back to cargo. So now we're in cargo room. Cargo button. Dark hall. We call this dark long metal. Connects to dark hall there, so we just call this dark long metal. Long hall. This is just long hall. Left here, this is broken elevator. To the side here, this goes into boiler. Bottom of boiler. That's main elevator button. And then we call this U room. Then it comes out to main elevator. This is main elevator cut through. Now we're coming over to split hall. And These are main steps, main wood steps, close to main elevator. Long metal sewer. This leads to sewer extract. Sewer extract. Drain the water. Then you can leave that way. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hope this clears up some confusion you may have in labs. If you liked the video, if you learned something from it, hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel for further content, more videos like these, and any support's much appreciated. I stream most nights of the week. Stop on by, especially if you're a new player. We'll run some, help you through some of your quests. I like running with my viewers, and happy tarkaving.